How are you all? See, SS English Academy students never say fine. Whenever I ask how are you, don't say fine. Why? I tell you the reason. Because when you say fine, you feel fine. जब आप बोलते हो आई एम फाइन तो आप फाइन महसूस करते हो, राइट? सो चेंज दिस वर्ड बाय विथ whenever I ask you or anybody asks you how are you, say I'm great, I'm outstanding, I am superb, I am fantastic, I am terrific, I am late. Right? You are late. So whenever anybody asks you how are you, don't say fine. Say I'm great, I'm awesome, I'm fantastic, I'm superb, I'm terrific, I'm amazing. Because whatever vocabulary you use for yourself, actually it directly affects at your life and affects at your mind. जब आप फाइन बोलते हो तो आप फाइन महसूस करते हो, लेकिन जब आप ग्रेट बोलोगे तो आप ग्रेट महसूस करोगे, जब आप टेरिफिक बोलोगे तो आप टेरिफिक महसूस करोगे, जब आप आउटस्टैंडिंग बोलोगे तो आप आउटस्टैंडिंग महसूस करोगे, जब आप फंटेस्टिक अमेजिंग बोलोगे तो आप फंटेस्टिक अमेजिंग महसूस करोगे. सो वन मोर टाइम, हाउ आर यू ऑल? एब्सोल्युटली हटा दो, डायरेक्ट जो वर्ड है वो बोलो. हाउ आर यू ऑल? ग्रेट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस ग्रेट लेक्चर by a great speaker with great audience in a great evening with great atmosphere outside, right? So today I am going to teach you something which is going to help you to improve your English language, and it is also going to help you to achieve your goals in your future life. So whatever I am going to explain you, if it is possible, try to note down the points. If it is not possible to note down, at least just note down in your mind, so in future these things will be helpful for you. So there are certain points which I am going to share with you which can help you to improve your English. I know I have shared so many points with you already. Some I have given in your basic English book, but there are some more points which I would like to tell you which will help you to learn English language. Before I just disclose all these points with you, I have already narrated my story with you, but one more time I would like to tell you about my story because we have some new students as well. And with the help of this video, I would like to share this story with every learner, whoever wants to learn English. Actually, people are excited to learn. मुझे बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आते हैं, बहुत सारे मतलब लोग कॉल भी करते हैं, सर आई वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश, सर आई वांट टू इम्प्रूव, सर व्हाट इज़ द कोर्स ड्यूरेशन, सर व्हाट इज़ द फीस, सर व्हाट यू विल टीच, सर एक मंथ का कोर्स नहीं है क्या, 2 मंथ का कोर्स नहीं है क्या? दे जस्ट आस्क, एंड दे आस्क आफ्टर एवरी 5-6 months, एंड दे नेवर ज्वाइन. So they are those kind of people who just think and don't take action, right? वो एक्शन टेकर्स नहीं है, वो एक्शन कभी नहीं लेते, वो बस पूछते हैं, वो कभी ज्वाइन नहीं करते. सो यू पीपल हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन एक्शन, यू पीपल हैव ऑलरेडी ज्वाइन क्लासेस, बट यू माइट हैव सीन सम पीपल इन योर बैच. हर एक बैच में आपने कोई ना कोई स्टूडेंट देखा होगा जो आपके साथ थे, बट वो इनकम्प्लीट कोर्स छोड़ के चले गए. और मैं इस बात की भी गारंटी देता हूँ कि 5-6 साल बाद वो फिर ज्वाइन करें, बिकॉज आई हैव मैनी एग्जाम्पल्स. दोज पीपल हु जस्ट लेफ्ट देयर कोर्स इनकम्प्लीटली, दे ज्वाइंड आफ्टर 5-6 years अगेन, राइट? अभी ये जो लेक्चर हो रहा है ना, एक चीज़ मैं और बता दूँ, अभी ये लेक्चर के बाद मैं इसके रिगार्डिंग बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस करूँगा आपकी लिसनिंग एबिलिटी को चेक करने के लिए कि कौन कितना क्लोज लिसनर है. एंड आई विल आस्क प्लेंटी ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वट एवर आई एम टीचिंग. मैं जो एग्जाम्पल्स दे रहा हूँ, जो नाम ले रहा हूँ, जो चीज़ें बोल रहा हूँ, आई विल आस्क क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू इट. हर चीज़ से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस होगा. सो यू हैव टू लिसन वेरी क्लोजली बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू चेक योर लिसनिंग स्किल. If you have good listening skill, definitely you will have good speaking skill. So I would like to narrate my story. So many people ask me that, sir, you are from Urdu medium and now you are teaching English, you are speaking fluent English. How did you improve your English language? So see, I listen English a lot. I watched so many videos. I try to speak a lot, right? I try to do lot of self practice, empty room practice, mirror practice, and so many practices. I watched some of the videos which helped me to improve my English. But one thing which helped me a lot to improve my English, what's that? What's that? Tell me the name of that thing. Say loudly. Sorry? In front of people, or audio recording, or teaching. Teaching is also very important. Reading English books, or dedication, passion, burning desire. Burning desire is very important कि आपके अंदर एक आग होना चाहिए. When Arunima Sinha submitted Mount Everest, one interviewer asked her a question that you do not have legs. You lost your legs in train accident and you submitted the highest peak of the world. How did you do this? So you know what she answered? I would like to say this in Hindi because it will give you more energy. She said that लोगों को मेरे पैर दिख रहे थे लेकिन मेरे अंदर जो आग थी, बर्निंग डिज़ायर जो था वो नहीं दिख रही थी. एंड आई नॉट ओनली सबमिटेड माउंट एवरेस्ट, आई सबमिटेड 7 हाईएस्ट पीक्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. इट वॉज हर आंसर कि मेरे अंदर जो आग थी, जो बर्निंग डिज़ायर था, लोग वो नहीं देख पा रहे. सो डू यू हैव द सेम बर्निंग डिज़ायर फॉर लर्निंग इंग्लिश? यस. देखो ये बर्निंग डिज़ायर आपका. यस, दिस इज योर बर्निंग डिज़ायर. Do you have the same burning desire for learning English? Yes, this is called as passion, excitement. You must be excited, you must be passionate. So, how did I improve my English? Because of my passion. See, so many people do practice, but when they do practice, they don't enjoy it actually. So many people listen videos, but when they listen video, they don't enjoy it. Here also, so many people, so many students are sitting today, but some are listening and enjoying. Some are just listening and some are getting bored. And I can see on their face. Some are, some are, oh wow. Right? So they are listening and enjoying. Some are just listening, not enjoying. Some are getting bored. When I will get free from this room and then after I will go outside and enjoy my Saturday night with my friends, family and all, right? So I was that kind of a student who used to enjoy learning English. So many incidents happened with me. One of the incidents which happened with me when I had gone to Mumbai Central, and there is a mall city center, and I was in 8 or 9 class, right? I had gone with my family and my family just told me to bring some glasses of water. When I went to waiter, and I saw that there was a huge crowd. And I was continuously asking him, give me some glasses of water, give me some glasses of water. He was not even looking at me. Why? Because I was saying in Hindi, Bhai mujhe pani chahiye. And everyone who was there, they were asking in English. So one thing I realized here, that it was such an embarrassing moment for me. Because he was not looking at me. He was busy with those customers who were speaking English. And I was so embarrassed there. Then after this incident helped me a lot to improve my English. Then after I made up my mind that I have to improve English. I am asking just a question and waiter is not responding to me because I am speaking Hindi. Right? So this incident, I took this incident very positive, in a very positive manner, and then after I improved my English, and I not only improved my English, but also I improved the English of more than 10,000 people. Right? So this is the thing which you need in your life. Right? ये burning desire होता है. This is burning desire. So the first point is you must have burning desire. देखो हम कैसे इंग्लिश बोलते हैं कि बहुत सारे लोग ना हिंग्लिश यूज़ करते हैं. I told you ना, give me ना, come here, sit now. Right? This is not English. This is Hindi plus English is equal to Hinglish. When you speak English continuously, I have seen some people when they speak English continuously, then they use English afterwards. Actually, I had gone there now, so I saw he was waiting for me now. What kind of English is this? See, do you think that it is a professional way of speaking? Right? And don't, in English, there is no repetitive word. Come, come, sit, sit. You can't say like this. Come, sit. One time only you have to say. right? So don't use English, avoid English. I have seen some of the students speak good English, but they also use this ना. ये ना वाली इंग्लिश को आप ना करो पहले. ये ना को हमको ना करना है, बिकॉज ना इज नॉट इंग्लिश वर्ड. देर वॉज एन इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग क्लास एंड इट वॉज रिटन ओवर देयर. देर वॉज अ बैनर, उसमें लिखा था इंग्लिश बोलना सीखे. तो इंग्लिश इंग्लिश में लिखा था ENGLISH, और बोलना सीखे हिंदी में लिखना था. तो वहाँ स्टूडेंट भी स्मार्ट थे, उसने मैसेज किया, सर वैन से आऊँ. सर वैन से आऊँ. राइट. So don't use English, avoid using English, right? Because this kind of incident is very common, especially in Bhiwandi. You might have seen, even I means it is really unfortunate that some of the teachers are also speaking English like this. देखो एक वेल प्रोफेशनल जो स्पीकर है, आपने देखा उसको ऐसे बोलते हुए इंग्लिश. एक्चुअली yesterday I had gone there ना, so I forgot to tell you that I was busy yesterday. You should have called me ना yesterday. आपने किसी प्रोफेशनल को ऐसे सुना है बोलते हुए? Have you ever listened me that I have used ना? ये तो मैं एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ, नहीं तो बोलोगे सर अभी तो बोला आपने. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू एन एग्जाम्पल, बट इन लेक्चर्स इन सेशंस आई नेवर यूज्ड इंग्लिश. इसको हम लोग इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, हिंदी और इंग्लिश का मिश्रण जो कि कुछ अलग बनाता है, जिसको हम लोग इंग्लिश बोलते हैं. सो अवॉइड यूजिंग इंग्लिश, राइट. ये आपको अवॉइड करना है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज लर्न एंड यूज सिंपल इंग्लिश. In my last lecture also I had told you that you don't need to learn advanced vocabulary. Don't run after those social media influencers. They are coming and they are just telling you to translate particular sentence. It is a wrong way of learning a language, right? Nobody can learn. You will get to know the translation of that particular sentence, but your English will not improve. Your English, क्या आप हर जगह वही sentence बोलोगे? Right, so this is wrong way, and those people who are just coming and telling you the advanced vocabulary, right, ये हम लोग को बहुत ज़्यादा ना फैसिनेट करता है. अरे इतना डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड का मीनिंग बता दिया, फॉलो हिम, चलो फॉलो कर लेते हैं, नई नई वोकेबलरी सीखने को मिलेगी. आपको वोकेबलरी सीखने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं. शॉक्ड. आई हैव बीन स्पीकिंग फॉर लास्ट 20 minutes, राइट, इन इंग्लिश. टेल मी वन वर्ड विच यू डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. एक वर्ड बताओ जिसका मीनिंग आपको नहीं पता था मेरी 20 minutes की स्पीच. नथिंग. ठीक है, आप वर्ड्स सीखो. अगर कोई नया वर्ड मिलता है आपको, उसका मीनिंग नहीं पता है, यू कैन जस्ट सी इन अ डिक्शनरी, बट यू डोंट नीड टू रन आफ्टर डैट. भागना नहीं उसके पीछे. लोग मतलब पता नहीं, यहाँ पर भी आते हैं ना स्टूडेंट, सर वोकेबलरी मेरी बहुत वीक है. Vocabulary is not going to help you, right? Advanced words are not going to help you to improve your English. Your level is here. All learners need to learn the basics of English, right? Basics of English. आपको basic सीखना है. You have to learn the basic of English. Now, what you need to learn? चलो मैंने बता दिया, ट्रांसलेशन नहीं करना है, एडवांस वोकेबलरी नहीं करना है. Then what you have to do? Yeah, correct. Sentence formation. You need to learn the sentence formation. You don't know how to frame a sentence and you are just running after vocabulary. Face challenges. Giving a Friday speech, coming on this platform, giving Friday speech is a challenge. Performing on Thursday activities is a challenge. Performing Saturday activity is a challenge. But be brave. Take challenges in your life. Challenges will help you to improve your English. Challenges से आपकी English improve होगी. तो आप अगर सोचोगे कि चैलेंज ना है, आप छोड़ दो, आप चले जाओ, तो फिर आपने ज्वाइन ही क्यों किया, राइट? सो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू शो सम पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड. व्हेन यू कम ऑन स्टेज, व्हेन यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक, व्हेन यू फॉरगेट योर लाइन्स, नो प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट टाइम यू कम, यू फॉरगेट योर स्पीच, यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्पीक, नो प्रॉब्लम. थर्ड टाइम you came, not able to speak, no problem. Keep coming on stage. Keep facing problems. I still remember that when I was in college, I completed my post-graduation in 2011 from BNN College. And after that, I took admission in B.Ed. My confidence level, you won't believe, it was zero. I took admission in B.Ed College from KMS. There were some of my graduation teachers who were studying with me. Those who know me, they will tell you the story. I cancelled my admission just because of lack of confidence. Because I did not have confidence to come in front of my own teachers and just show my lesson plans. I was not confident enough, and I cancelled my admission. Then after, हार के जीतने वाले कोई. So I improved myself. Actually, that was such an embarrassing moment for me. That was really very disappointing for me. After that, when some incident happened with me, I realized that what is the value of confidence in our life. If you are not confident, there is nothing for you. Seriously. अगर आपके अंदर आत्मविश्वास नहीं है तो आपकी आत्मा किसी काम की नहीं, क्योंकि उस आत्मा में विश्वास ही नहीं है तो आत्मा किस काम की. वो सोल बेकार है ना, जिस सोल के अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस ही ना हो. राइट. आत्मविश्वास, इसमें से आप विश्वास हटा दो, सिर्फ आत्मा बचेगी. तो जिनके अंदर विश्वास नहीं है उनके सिर्फ आत्मा है जो भटक रही है, और वो भटकते रहेगी. उनको कोई प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिलेगा उस वक्त तक जब तक उसमें विश्वास का वर्ड नहीं जुड़ेगा. कितना अच्छा लगता है, देखो, उर्दू में बोलो, हिंदी में बोलो, इंग्लिश में बोलो, कॉन्फिडेंस, आत्मविश्वास. उर्दू में एतबार, हौसला, हौसला, हौसला बोलो आप. हौसला बोलने में मेरा हौसला बढ़ जाता है.